Hi Bobby, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. This is the 2016 Range Rover that we looked at today. I wanted to put together a video tour, kind of just show you the vehicle again, give you the ins and outs of the car one more time, something you can look over. Beautiful black grille and lettering here. LED headlights up front. We have our multi-spoke Range Rover wheels, huge blue Brembo brakes to stop that big 5-liter supercharged V8. Black along our window frame, and the nice black and gray contrast gives the car a really cool look. Coming around the back here, we have LED taillights, another black strip, and our black Range Rover badges. Dual tip exhaust down there on the bottom. This is the SVR, so of course the upgraded packages included. Let's take a look at the interior. Now, something again will look familiar based after what we looked at today, but a beautiful kind of bucket seat in the back as well as up front. And then moving forward here, we'll see carbon fiber throughout the vehicle, a beautiful seat section, a lot of great features in the car. Another technology, something that we can talk about. Let's hop in, go for a ride. Now we're inside the Range Rover. We can take a closer look at the interior. Beautiful carbon fiber throughout the car. You'll see your center here. Like we talked about, our adjustable driving modes, our high and low gearbox, our adjustable suspension and exhaust. Gear selector can be pushed over to the left for sport gear changes, and then back to the right for automatic. Dual zone climate control system. And then up top here, all of our parking sensors, our navigation, our radios, all displayed on this center touchscreen. You have a instrument cluster, a digital instrument cluster as well. Heads-up display. Of course, one thing I know you'd mentioned is the large panoramic roof really opens up the vehicle, lets in a lot of light. If you have any other questions, Bobby, about the vehicle, I'm happy to answer them for you. Give me a ring when you get a chance, 207-210-4796. That's my cell phone. Or you can call me or email me, sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.